back here through Carpenter, and Dunbar are going to make contact. Caution flag going to come out.
Alrighty, Mountain Motor Speedway, the USMPA Sport Mod's going to be leading to the green this time by. As we are ready, green, 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 we're back underway. A little bit of contact on the start there for Dakota Rayburn and Cooper Taylor. Good battle, and so is the number 128 of Dakota Rayburn. Takes out that early lead. Cooper Taylor in the 15J yard. Then it goes out Brent Sloan in the 83. Single file, nose to tail around the speedway. The best battle on the speedway for Cooper Taylor in the number 15 and Brent Sloan as Dakota Rayburn. Oh, he's in trouble! I turned my head in the 128 of Dakota Rayburn around and inside the berm in the 128 machine. So as Jacoby Bush out of Hazard, Kentucky is going to be leading them to the green in the middle of 3 and 4. You got Corey Ford out of Very, Kentucky, and here we go. 4 cylinders underway at the Mountain Motor Speedway. Bush to the bottom side of the speedway. Corey Ford up to the outside. The 13B of Jesse Brock for the 3rd spot as William Hurt is in the back of the field. As we complete lap number 1, as it's still Bush going to be your current leader with a 17.724. As Corey Ford with that 17.965, those last lap times, they are single file down to the backstretch. Jacoby Bush is still your leader, lap number 2 in the books, as Corey Ford still in second, Jesse Brock and William Hurt. Hobby Stocks, we need you in the chute. He race number 1, Hobby Stocks, we need you in the chute. So far, if you guys looking at the last lap time, Jacoby Bush with that 17.609 is still your race leader. Behind him is Corey Ford, and then number 71, Jesse Brock. And the 13B as William Hurt as we are halfway to go this time by. As Bush continues to lead, running 17.460s, 2.83s. On the inside is the number 95, Ka-chow. Tristan Pauly out of line for Kentucky. To the outside of the number 0, William Brock out of Harlan, Kentucky, with the T4 of Jeff Stombog from Statsburgville, Kentucky, as we are underway, and we're pushing and shoving, and we are the 32. We got, no, they're wrecking down to the front stretch. So we're going to line them up side by side one more time. We're going to get racy. We're hobby stocking here at the Mountain Motor Speedway. Colin Stewart going to be to the inside. Gives a little bit of a right rear to Sean Stamper in turns 1 and 2. As Stewart continues to work to the outside, pulls away from Sean Stamper in turn 3 and 4. Tristan Pauly and Jeff Steinbach going to be the top 4, and this one is their single file. As Colin Stewart continues to pull away, running 17.127s. Sean Stamper, number 32, right there behind him, as is Tristan Pauly. But here comes the T4 of Jeff Steinbach, as they're going to battle it out. As Pauly all but lost it in turns 1 and 2. As the 4, Jeff Steinbach had to get hard on the binders. As Colin Stewart and Sean Stamper still drive away throughout the fields, as Stewart just ran a 17.236 at halfway. 2 to go for the 199 of Connor Stewart at this time, running 17.236s. Actually, on the 17.205, and then you'll have a 17.687. So Connor Stewart is still pulling away down on the backstretch. White flag going to be in the air this time by as Connor Stewart after getting spun in the first lap of the day. As he's going to make his way through the top of turn 1 and 2, you'll have the 32 of Sean Stamper for the second spot. Tristan Pauly and Jeff Steinbach still battle their way out. But final corner, final time. Connor Stewart gets it done here for Hobby Stock Heat Race number 1. Second will go to Sean Stamper in the 32. Tristan Pauly's going to hold off Jeff Steinbach. Oh, and the 4 is going to go around across the front stretch. So, ladies and gentlemen, let them hear it for Connor Stewart, your winner of Heat Race number 1 for the Hobby Stocks. So here we go, ladies and gentlemen, Bryson Fields. It's Danny Fields, and it looks like we got the 1X of Harley Halcomb, as it looks like Creed Mullins will be a scratch. Oh no, now we got problems with the number 24B, Bryson Fields coming to a stop on the backstretch. Looking car though with the old style, like, look at me, I'm pretty, with the like the rainbow colors and things like that. That was looking sweet. So Danny Fields on the outside, and now Harley Halcomb. It's a grudge match, ladies and gentlemen. Are you ready for Danny Fields? How about Harley Halcomb? It's showtime! Good start for Danny Fields. Halcomb's gonna look to the outside. Does he get enough bite off of turn number 2? Down the backstretch, no, the tail went 3 and 4. There's a shot in the shorts. Oh no, they go the round. Danny Fields goes around, and this is definitely going to be a grudge match, ladies and gentlemen. As we are going to go 2 by 2, they say. Hoosier to Hoosier, some say. Some say American Racer to American Racer, some say. As we are ready to go, as it's going to be Danny Fields and Harley Halcomb. Oh boy, what a start. He left Harley sitting in 3 and 4. Alrighty, the backfires the exhaust pipes. Here comes Halcomb to the outside. Oh no, he spins out again. Danny Fields spins out in turns 1 and 2. We already know who's rooting for who. Can we finish this? No laps completed, 2 cars. And here we go. Danny Fields with a good start. Oh, no, now Holcomb's going to fall off the Speedway. What a save. Halcomb saves off a turn 1 and 2 that allows Danny Fields to pull away in at number 23. 1 lap has been completed, ladies and gentlemen, of the grudge match. Fields really sideways down the backstretch. Oh, he is complete. Oh, no, now we got a problem of Halcomb. Halcomb has come to a slow down to the backstretch. Yellow flag for the 1X of Harley Halcomb. So now each driver has 1 caution between the 2. So it's either going to be the next caution wins it, or 4 laps. 1 to green for the grudge match here at Mount Motor Speedway.
Go green, and then the next checker that falls, or the next flag that falls will be checkers.
Here we go. Danny Field and Harley Halcomb. We're back underway. Halfway to go this time by. Next yellow will end it. They go down on the backstretch as it's still going to be the 23 of Danny Fields. Fields makes his way through the middle of turn 3 and 4. It's going to be Harley Halcomb to the inside. More problems for the 1X as he's going to make the hard right. Ladies and gentlemen, down the backstretch, the number 23 will win the grudge match for heat race number 2 for the Hobby Stocks.
Checker flag. Checker flag. Guys, that was fun. Good job. Had a little fun there with that grudge match. Head to head.
Alrighty. From the ticket side of the drag strip, I need all foot runners and all bicycles to the ticket side of the drag strip.